Welcome back. Let's do question 112. So for x, given that 2x squared minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0, correct to 2 decimal places. This is giving us a clue. This is giving us a clue that we have to use the quadratic formula. And the other thing, our equation is already in standard form. It's in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now let's write our quadratic formula. So x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all this over 2a. From our equation, a is equal to 2, then b is equal to negative 6. Be careful with the signs there. Then c is equal to 1. And then we need to substitute these a, b, c into the quadratic formula. So x is equal to negative 6 plus or minus, or you can just put 6 because negative 6 is positive 6. And then b squared means negative 6 squared minus 4. And then a is 2. Then c is 1. All this divided by 2 times a. Our a is 2. Okay. Then you can put this in the calculator. You should get x is equal to 2,82, or x is equal to 0,18.